Hi there, welcome back to our channel dedicated to traditional home wall art. Discover timeless pieces that bring elegance and charm to any space. Whether you are decorating a cozy cottage or a grand estate, traditional wall art adds character and warmth, reflecting our rich cultural heritage. In this video, we explore various types of traditional wall art, from classic oil paintings to intricate tapestries and ornate mirrors. Learn how to choose pieces that complement your existing decor while creating a focal point that enhances the ambience of your home. Traditional wall art encompasses a wide range of styles including Renaissance, Baroque, Victorian and more. Each piece tells a story and evokes a sense of history, making your living space not just beautiful but also meaningful. Enhance the sophistication of your living room, bedroom, dining area, or hallway with our curated selection of traditional home wall art ideas. From religious motifs to pastoral scenes and still life compositions, there is something for every taste and preference. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on interior decor and home styling tips. Let's transform your living space into a sanctuary of elegance with timeless traditional home wall art. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you create a home that reflects your unique sense of style and heritage.